The Australian opening batsman. Australia 10 for 2 in the first over. Australia 10 runs for 3 wickets on the second ball of the second over. Michael Clark didn't think he'd be batting in the second over here at Trent Bridge. Australia 15 for 4 in the third over. $21 for 5. Australia here in the 5th over at Trent Bridge. Unbelievable start to the test match. 29 for 6. In the 7th over here at Trent Bridge. Stuart Broad has taken 5 wickets for 6 runs. 33 for 7. Australia 46 for 8. Australia 46 for 9. Amazing scenes here at Trent Bridge. Before lunch on the first day, the first session of this test match. All out for 60 on the first morning of this test match at Trent Bridge. Unbelievable.
Good game, unbelievable. Good play, isn't it? Good play.
Australia all out for 60 on the first morning of the Trent Bridge test match. Stuart Broad. Stuart Broad. 8 wickets. Well played, Stuart. Stuart Broad. 8 wickets for 15 runs.